Yo, what up guys, it's Wavy back with another video, and today I want to show you guys what we did to the engine, and we're gonna do a couple things today. So let's get to it. Okay, let me show you guys what we did now. The engine's looking nice. Everything looks clean. We have a problem here. We have a hose, but like it doesn't fit, so we need to order a new one. But yeah, so far the car's looking nice. We had to push it over here. We had to lift it, and we did the lines. Look, you guys can see. I'll show you guys the pictures of it. But so far it's looking nice. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna put the exhaust in the car. It's lifted, but first we have to cut here, and then we weld it together. And yeah, so let's get to it right now. Okay guys, so put everything back in. You guys can see. Now we're about to cut it so we could put it in the car. So we could attach it right here. See you guys, right here and here. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is how it looks like now. And we're getting ready to put it in. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, there was this one thing I wanted to show you guys. So we have the papers from the original engine and the H22 engine. And this is gonna be a quick connector from the heart, so we could put it in the harness so it could just connect faster. And yeah, we're just figuring everything out. Thank you guys for watching the video. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, comment down below what you guys want. Don't forget to share with your family members and friends, whatever. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye bye.